How to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. Open your computer's web browser and go to the Bybit website. Log into your account if you're not already logged in. Move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. In the drop-down menu that appears, click on Account and Security. Scroll down the page until you see the section called Google Two-Factor Authentication. Next to Google Two-Factor Authentication, you'll see a Settings button. Click on it. If you haven't already, download the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. You can find it in the App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. After clicking on the settings, a verification code will be sent to your email. Type in the verification code. Bybit will give you a key phrase. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone and add this key phrase. This step is crucial as it allows the app to generate a unique code for your Bybit account. On the Bybit page, you'll see a QR code. In the Google Authenticator app, you can either scan this QR code using your phone's camera or manually enter the key phrase. Once you've scanned the QR code or entered the key phrase, Google Authenticator will start generating codes. Enter the current code displayed in the Google Authenticator app into the text box on Bybit. Click on the Confirm button on Bybit. This will complete the setup process. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Google Authenticator on your Bybit account, boosting its security. Remember to keep your key phrase safe for future reference. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.